Right away, you can tell this isn't just about one payment, it's about trust. The father insists he paid, but the court can only rely on what has actually been processed and documented. That's one of the hardest parts of these hearings. Good intentions don't automatically become legal proof. When someone's financial responsibilities involve a child, timing matters just as much as the payment itself. You can already sense the judge trying to separate promises from evidence before making any assumptions.
Yeah, trying to get the money. Yeah, trying to go to court. Yes.
Now that you know that's not right, because you
What
don't
I'm
need
saying,
to,
I'm trying to
you
get the
do
money,
not
ma'am.
need
Like, I
to be
gotta get it.
committing an armed robbery to do what you need to do.
Ma'am,
We have Eros Davis and Jamesia Williamson. Let me have both of you raise your right hands, please. Do you swear that the testimony that you're about to present is the truth and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Oops, I have to hear you audibly say yes. So can both of you unmute?
Yes.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. So, Mr. Davis, I do show that you're making payments every month, but the amounts are very different and very sporadic. Um, can you tell me what's going on? Because it looks like you're working.
I got multiple cases, man. I got 2 child support cases. I got 3 kids and 2 child support cases. There's only
So,
one child support case.
so how much? So I understand it may be splitting. So how much are you paying?
I'm paying more, no less than 300. The last time I think I just paid 360. I'm paying no less than that every month.
Okay. Ms. Carson, are you seeing 3 active cases?
I can't tell you. I can
Oh,
tell
I'm
you though that
sorry.
he did make another payment on 7/17 of 156.96.
Okay. So, Ms. Williamson, there should be some more money coming in for July, but unfortunately, due to computer errors, we can't see what's going on, but I can pretty much assume, Mr. Davis, that the amounts that you're paying are not going to be enough to make a full payment for Miss Williamson. And then also, what kind of job are you working? Because I'm trying to figure out why we can't set up an income deduction order.
So, last time I told you, I still have the other monitor on. So I'm usually in warehouse jobs,
Oh,
UPS. You
okay.
see what
When
I'm
I
saying? I
saw
got
you
an
in
ankle
the,
monitor.
when I saw you in that yellow jacket, I thought you were working for the county. Okay. Okay.
I
Uh,
want. Can you get me hired with the county? I can do that.
I'm
If
sorry, they don't give me any pull in that area, but I would love for you to get a good job so that Miss Williamson and those other moms could get their full child support. Um, Okay, so I guess the thing is, Mr. Davis, you need to really look seriously at getting a second job because I don't know that this is going to work moving forward. I mean, I do appreciate you making an effort, but we're going to have to get a little bit more money.
This is probably the strongest point the judge makes. The father keeps talking about future money, tax refunds, and what will happen later. But raising a child doesn't happen later, it happens every single day. Rent, groceries, school supplies, and basic necessities can't wait months for a tax refund to arrive. Whether someone is struggling financially or not, the court's first concern is making sure the child has consistent support today, not promises about
More
tomorrow.
money. Ms. Williamson, you have something to say?
Yes, Miss Scott. He has enough education to be a judge, just to be honest.
Okay, so Mr. Davis, I understand you can take my job. So, what's going on? Why? I know that right now you have an injury, but I take
no, I
it.
don't have no injuries. I'm fully ready. I don't have injuries.
Oh, I
I have a
thought you said,
case.
hmm?
I said I have an ankle monitor on. I'm
Oh, an
fighting an armed robbery
ankle
case.
monitor.
Yes, ma'am. So I have
Okay.
an open armed robbery case right now. So I have to get that disclosed while I'm trying to
Okay.
work. These jobs don't pay that much money. It costs a whole lot to live. It's not like I got Section 8 like the person who bring me to court. It's like
Believe me,
I
it's
wish I could get
not
Section 8 and let my mom live with me. Like I
well,
don't
but
have that.
okay, so
Your
Mr.
mama have
Davis,
Section 8.
okay, wait a minute, because I don't want to end up having to put you guys both in, but let me just tell you something, Mr. Davis. Raising a child is very expensive these days. What
Ma'am,
little there is, it does not go very far. And you don't get many choices when you have a child. They have to eat, they have to go to school, they have to do the things. It's not an option as to whether you're going to put a roof over that child's head and feed them. So,
ma'am,
um,
can I ask you one thing? Like what I'm
yes.
saying, I do for my child. My child, I buy my child stuff too. You see what I'm
When?
saying?
Okay, no, Miss
I can
Williamson,
send
no,
a
no, no,
text
no,
message right
no.
now. Look, ma'am. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what I just sent. My son just asked me to get him a game right now. I'm finna show you on the
That's
phone. I'm
not
finna show you.
important.
Yeah, you
I'm
have to
finna tell him like
understand you
that's what I'm
no.
saying.
Okay,
Like,
hold on, Mr. Davis. Hold on. You heard me at the beginning. Those are called gifts. They're
Right.
totally optional. So if you feel like you don't have enough money, don't buy those things and
ma'am, I pay for this.
make
I
sure
still pay
that
for his
there
phone
are
bill too.
utilities so that are paid for. When was the last time you paid the gas or the electric bill at Miss
Ma'am, I pay his
Wilson's
phone
home?
bill every month.
Never.
But that doesn't help your child.
How it doesn't if he don't have a
Wait
phone?
a minute. If
You
you
ain't paying the
pay, if
phone
you
bill.
pay,
I am.
Miss Williamson, please. If you pay the utilities at your home, that does nothing for your child. A phone is not a necessity for your child.
Ma'am,
So
he
what
can live.
we
What I'm
need,
saying, he can live with me, ma'am, under my utilities. She can pay child support.
well, but obviously you don't have the wherewithal to do that, or else you would have petitioned the court to change
Man,
custody. So,
that
you
that ain't
can't
it.
just set it up
You know
if
how
you
I
don't
go.
have.
What I'm saying, ma'am, it's clear that she can't do it either, man. What I'm saying is that I can do a better job than her.
Okay, but you're not. So let's make
But I
sure that
can though. Like she
where
can't
your
pay child
child,
support.
okay, Mr. Davis, your child is with your child's mother
Yes,
right
but I'm doing
now
stuff for the child that's not getting counted for
time
too, ma'am. On top
until
of child
such
support.
time as you petition the court and you do what you need to do to take care of your child. And let
Man,
me
it's
tell
not
you,
like that. They when you're a dad, they check your record, they check who you sleeping with. They do a lot of more stuff than just with a mom, man. They don't get if the dad get them, I can't get them
okay,
like health
Mr.
care. I can't
Davis,
get them Medicaid. I can't get none of that stuff.
Mr.
Like,
Davis, is your child responsible for that ankle monitor on your leg?
yeah, trying to get the money. Yeah, trying to go to court. Yes.
Now that you know that's not right because
What I'm saying, I'm trying to
you
get the
do
money,
not
ma'am.
need
Like I
to be
gotta get it.
committing an armed robbery to do what you need to do
Ma'am,
to your child. You
this
only
This is the
have to.
moment where the hearing shifts. Up until now, the judge has been patient. But once there's uncertainty about whether that $600 payment actually exists, credibility becomes everything. Courts understand mistakes happen. What they don't tolerate is misleading information. From this point forward, every statement the father makes carries much more weight because the judge is paying close attention to whether his words match the
Child,
records.
you
this
only have to come up with $213
I got three
a
kids.
month.
I got
That's
three kids.
nothing.
I
Hmm?
got three child support cases.
So, I mean, they still are
So
not,
what?
these are
Like that's what I'm
not,
saying. This is the cheapest one.
okay, Mr. Davis, you're getting too
No, this
outrageous
is the
here.
cheapest one. I want to make sure you know, ma'am. This is the cheapest one. I
Mm-hmm.
paid one girl 300. Like I paid child support, ma'am. I got three kids.
But who's responsible for creating those
But no,
kids?
know what I'm saying. I just want you to hear that what I'm saying. I'm taking care of the kids, and I'm doing stuff for the kids too.
And I'm telling you, Mr. Davis, I appreciate what you
That's what
do,
I'm saying. So you
but
got to
you're
take in
going to
consideration all
have
these
to get
things.
a second job and work
Man,
harder.
I will. I will. My child is going on 17 years old. What I'm saying is that I'm not that far behind. I've been
Okay.
in his life, ma'am. Look, ma'am. I have when he was failing out of school, ma'am, he came to live with me and made straight A's. You know, he made straight A's with me, ma'am. He made straight A's with me. I got education, but you got to have somebody with you on your side to help you, because school is not the most important thing. That's not the most important thing, ma'am. He came to live with me when she couldn't handle him, and he had good grades.
And I applaud you. I applaud you for
that.
She
took him back. She took him back because she think I'm trying to take out child support. What I'm saying is that the world, that's how the world works. So when he's with me, I'm able to see what I'm doing for him. I'm able to do extra. I'm able to sacrifice.
But that's not okay. But Mr.
No,
Davis,
I know what you're saying, but I didn't go to the court for that. I helped her out.
Are right now. And
if you
want the child with you, you know what steps you have to take.
Ma'am, when he was with me, I paid child support still.
That's
what you don't get.
That's what you're supposed to do.
No, what I'm saying is just I'm going through tough times right now. That's it. When she couldn't handle him.
Calm down.
No, when she couldn't handle him, I got him. I didn't go down there and say, hey, child support, I'm taking care of him. I still made child support payments. It's just I'm catching hell right now. Is it like I went to Emory Law School? Of course I did, but I was still goddamn getting child support. Like it's stuff you gotta have character and fitness ready. I got an armed robbery charge, but that's only a charge that I'm fighting. For 4 years. I would not be out of jail right now if I didn't have an impeccable background. If I didn't have a 4.0 in law school. What I'm saying is that I got caught up with the wrong thing.
And I understand that.
So these last 4 years being just the toughest time of my life, even growing up with a single mom household. So what I'm saying is that I'm still, even with the ankle monitor on, I picked him up and got him back on track. And he was able to go back to his mom's house. And she don't need me anymore. And now she's going back down to child support when I'm just going through a lot right now.
Okay.
But what I'm saying, if it's too much for her, I will get the son and I will still try to make child support payments. If it's too much for her, just tell her, give me the son and I will still make child support. On record. I will do that on record. I will still pay child support. I will still pay that little $200 and I will get the child.
Okay, I
get the child. That's it.
I applaud you for that, Mr.
No,
Davis.
no, I'm saying I don't want the applause. I'm just saying what I'm saying is I will still pay child support.
What you're asking for, I can't do.
That's what I'm saying, ma'am. I'm coming with good faith.
You would have to go to court and petition for a motion.
I've already done that. They told me that wouldn't be it. That's not the best thing for me. What I'm saying, the best thing for me to do is to tell the judge, Your Honor, is hey, I will swear my hand. She can give them to me. Give me 2-3 months.
I know they didn't tell you to tell the child support judge that.
No, I came up with this, ma'am. I came up with this.
But I'm just letting you know it's pointless to tell me you've been through enough law school. I can't do things that I am not ordained to do.
Man, what I'm trying to tell you is that we should not be here. I just made a payment. I gave them for all I can. I still gotta figure out them going back to school. Like I still gotta do things that's not on paper.
I understand. But you know what the reason she pays his phone bill. If you were at Emory, you know what it's like to work.
Ma'am, no, what I'm saying, I know what it takes, but I know what you gotta look like too, ma'am. I know what I'm saying is that what I'm trying to tell you is that only reason she pays his phone bill now is because she got mad because he keep cracking the screen and I got tired of paying $100 and I ain't want, you know what I'm saying? Like she got a whole new phone. I still have that phone. I still pay for that phone to this day.
Right.
I still pay for the phone right now. Like his phone is over there on the charger. I still pay for it.
I know they don't let you out of the contract just because.
I can get out of the contract, but I choose not to because if she can't pay the phone bill, he still has his phone line, his same phone number.
Okay.
That's $100 a month, man.
Okay, but that's money that
but I didn't even petition. Why
are you paying that money?
I'm not. What I'm saying is that, ma'am, I understand what you're saying, but that's already something. I gotta get a second job for the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying, that's already something. You cannot try to strip away the things that I'm doing because I can easily just send a phone bill and get credit on my child support for that. But I still don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
His shoes
Well,
is 200 or
honestly,
more. His shoes
honestly,
is
I
$200
can't
or more.
give you
I can
credit.
submit those receipts, but
Yeah, I
I
can't
choose
give you
not
credit for
to.
that.
I choose not to.
Okay.
I choose
Okay.
not to argue that. Only thing I'm telling you is just give me more time and just give me the kid, give me a chance to get the kid. I will never
Okay.
go
Miss
complain.
Williamson,
This is
if
where
you
the
can
human
unmute.
side of the case really comes through. You can hear genuine frustration from the father. He's trying to explain that he's working, juggling bills, and feels trapped financially. Whether viewers agree with him or not, it's obvious he feels overwhelmed. At the same time, the judge keeps returning to the same point: the court can only rely on verified payments, not verbal promises. That's the difficult balance in family court. One side is talking about personal hardship, while the other has to focus on documented financial responsibility and the child's well-being above everything
Miss
else.
Williamson, if you can unmute Miss Williamson, how much time are you willing to give Mr. Davis to get things together?
Your Honor, he just makes excuse after excuse. The reason he got an armed robbery charge, did he tell you the truth behind that? He's renting rooms out to a person. They decided not to pay him, and he got into an argument,
Okay.
altercation with
Yeah,
them. That's how that charge happened.
I can't get into that, but
I understand that, but I'm saying he's making the money. He's talking about getting my son, well, our child, and staying with him. I'm not gonna let my child come stay with somebody who's renting rooms out. I don't know these people that he's renting rooms out to.
okay.
He have two houses he renting rooms out to people. He got about
Okay.
6-7 rooms he renting out. What if he charged them $100 a week? That's a lot of money a month. He
Okay.
has the money. That's an excuse.
Can we give him until September the 6th to get himself together?
If he $213, you heard him say this is the cheapest child
Well,
support
no,
payment he had.
okay. Let me just clarify what I mean by that. I'm not waiving him from paying the child support the way he has been. I'm just giving him until September 6th to get himself together and get us up to the $213 a month consistently. But I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm going to stay with your case until he gets there.
But we're giving him 2 months.
Well, he's made two payments for July, so we're really just letting him have some time in August. But I am still expecting him to pay as much child support as he can, because he still has to, whatever he gives to the other moms is going to split anyway. So I'm not waiving him from paying child support.
The ending says a lot. The judge isn't punishing the father for being poor, she's pointing out a pattern. Waiting until the day before court to make a payment naturally raises questions about consistency. Child support isn't supposed to happen only when a hearing is coming up. It's meant to be regular and dependable because a child's needs don't pause between court dates. Whether the father follows through before the next hearing will likely determine how the court views his credibility moving forward.
From paying child support. Mr. Davis,
Okay.
what is it?
Ma'am, they got to go back to school, right? My son is in high school, 11th grade, right? And he got to have that stuff on. So what I'm saying, I know he's gonna need to go back to school shopping too.
Okay.
We go back to school next week. So what I'm saying, I got money. I got money that I gotta take him to go to get some school clothes, because I know the reason why I wasn't successful, ma'am, is because I try to get money. I tried to get money out here, man. So what I'm saying, I want him to have the things he needs to stay in school, to do the things he need to do.
And I applaud you. That's the
You
right
know
way
what I'm
of
saying? Because
looking
I
at it.
know, ma'am.
But
You know what I'm saying? I know it.
can you pay the child support? It's just
Well,
$213 a month. Can you
know
pay
what
the
I'm trying to
child
tell
support?
you, ma'am. I paid probably $600 this month. They only gave her that much.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? They splitting it up how they want to
Right.
do it. I paid it directly to her. I paid it directly to her, like, because I was gonna say if they sent her directly 600, I would have just
And
not been.
that
would have been
I can't
enough for her to help
control.
out with school, like for her. But instead, I paid 600. I still got to come up with some more money for him to go to school. He's
Well, I
11th
mean,
grader.
but just think about it. This is the most important time for him. He's got to
I
make
know, that's what I'm saying,
decisions,
man.
and
What I'm
it's
saying,
going and it's going to end for him. How old is he right now, Miss
he's
Williamson?
about 16 years old.
16.
Okay. So
So
he's got a
when he's
little.
going to school, he need to have that stuff on, man. That's what I'm saying. He go to
I
school in
know.
2 weeks. He going to school in 2 weeks. I'm gonna have him with that stuff on. I'm gonna have him with that stuff. I'm going to go out of my way to make sure you have that stuff on going to 11th grade.
Okay, but the thing is that if you pay for him to have whatever it is that you want
Yeah, they
him
don't
to
go. They don't
have,
work. I still got to pay for child
hold
support.
on. You have to understand, then it becomes up to Miss Williamson as to how much she's going to give you credit for. So
No,
I
she don't
would
have to give me credit for it. I don't
prefer,
want credit for it.
okay, but why can't you just pay her the child support?
He don't want to.
Okay, because I can't take up all the time with you.
No,
So
ma'am.
you
They're
need
not.
to
They're not.
pay the child
They're
support.
no. What I'm saying, I don't. What I'm saying, I got 2 weeks
And
before they go back to school.
I understand that it splits, but you need to pay as much as you can into child support that so that she gets her $213.
Ma'am, that's crazy. What I'm saying is that, ma'am,
Wait a minute, you
like you
should be
look, don't
caring
like.
about all
I
your
might not be able to make
kids
no money.
just like this one.
What I'm telling you is that I'm gonna try to make money in 2 weeks. But what I'm saying, if I don't make extra money, I might can't do it.
Well, all I can ask is that
That's
you
the
try
possibility.
your
That's what I'm saying. If
hardest.
I'm doing it for the right reason, if he got to go to school in 2 weeks, and then some kind of way stuff happen, like you can ask for, you know what I'm saying? Things happen, man.
I understand.
Things
But
happen. People come out with gift card, anything. There's people, stuff happens.
I
So I'm
understand.
able to do more. I'm able to do more for him if I'm able to see, because that's just how life been working for me.
Okay.
I
Well,
don't
I
want
mean,
no credit. I don't want no credit for that, man. I don't want credit for when I took him back to school. Every year he go back to school, I buy him something. But I never
okay.
get credit for that on child support. Every birthday I buy him stuff. Every Christmas I buy him stuff.
But you understand there are certain things you do
I
just as
know,
a
man, that's
parent.
my responsibility. Child support is
Right.
my responsibility. But my kid knowing that I'll go out the way, I ain't scared. Like, I'm gonna go out the way.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Davis. So you get so excited over things. Miss
I
Williamson,
know,
how's
because
the
I'm
child
just
doing
saying
in
that
school?
I'm so. What I'm saying,
He
she
made
know that I'm
A's
there
and
for my
B's this
kid.
year.
Okay,
He
go
made good
great.
grades. He's a smart kid.
Okay. So both of you are doing something right.
Yeah, that's
And
what
you
I'm
want
saying.
it? Okay, so let's just make these last 2 years for him count. Make them
Man, it's not gonna
special.
be last 2 years, man. What I'm saying, if he turn 40, I'm still gonna be right there for him. I'm still gonna be able to.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Man, I'm not gonna
And I
give up on him when he
appreciate
turn
that.
18, man. I'm not
Okay.
gonna give up on my boy.
Okay. Good.
That's
That's
what I'm
good.
saying. He can come live with me. That's what I'm saying. He can come live with me. I can show the court that I can take care of him.
But we can't make him do anything at 16. It's up to him. Okay, so I'm going to dismiss both of you. And like I said, by September the 6th, I want to see things on a different
Right.
plateau.
They give me a chance to help him out with school. They give me a chance. I got you.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay, then.
Say no
So we're
more.
back on the calendar for September the 6th.
Back on the calendar for September the 6th, okay?
Man, she keep
All
talking.
right.
She just gonna
Thank you.
ruin it, man. That's what I'm saying. Let me
Okay,
get a phone.
I'm gonna dismiss both of you.
Thank you.
September the
Bye-bye.
6th.
Bye.
Bye-bye.